NMIXX are back up in this bed. Okay, let me get it. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dre. Welcome to the YouTube channel JREKML. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it. NMIXX Blue Valentine coming back. I love me some NMIXX. NMIXX have been, I feel like they're one of the best like live vocals, live mics on. Got him with that. Alright, y'all. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Sometimes a lot of the videos get copyright blocked, and I'll just upload there for free. Without further ado, let's check out NMIXX Blue Valentine. MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. The bell? You always be my blue. Whoa. Oh. You always be my blue Valentine. Hold up. Oh. Ooh. That's the bias, y'all. Oh. She bleeding out. Judo? Oh, rewinding. Hold up, this is crazy. What they all got? Yellow raincoats. What? Okay. Let's go. Ooh, Lily with the blonde too. Ooh, I like the way it's shot. Okay, wings come through. Ah, Los Angeles. Crazy. And what? And bring out the laptop. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, wait, hold up. What an interesting, like, reset to build up again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, hey, hey. We in the ribs? That look like Aaron Yeager's ribs. If you know, you know. Whoa. Hold up, hold up. So I have like these lights right under me. Let me see if like you can see it. Wow. What the hell? My lights go to the music video. Because it fades in and out like blinking almost. What? Oh. Hello? I'll turn my lights back on. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Hey, hey. There's a different song vibe compared to the pre-release, I mean. Did I say pre-debut before? I thought I meant pre-release if I did. Ooh, the makeup on there was beautiful, actually. I like this. Ooh, the drums. Oh. Wow, the direction was crazy. What the hell? From the beginning, though, too. Hold up. Can I repeat that? Let's do it like less lighting. You always be my blue. Oh. You always be my blue Valentine. I feel like the build up and then it resets and builds up again is kind of crazy. Oh my god, that's it. That's crazy. Oh. This is crazy. They look like Little Nightmare raincoats or from Clown It. This part right here is crazy too. What an interesting take. So many great scenes in here too. Shout out to the editor too. FX. One of my favorite scenes in here. I love that scene so much. And I've definitely been downtown. This is downtown LA. Fire. Fire. What you guys think of NMIXX Blue Valentine? Well, I'm not done yet. You're gonna check out a past video I saw on Twitch. I mean, so what the hell is this? Is that pepper mache? What is that? The pre-release from NMIXX Blue Valentine course spinning on it. Spinning on it? What are we talking about? On the beat? Oh, what is that? What is that cake? Hello? They make a cake. What is happening? Oh, with the blonde. Oh my god. What is happening? A marshmallow. Hold up. She's sitting on top of a marshmallow. What is happening with his neck? Ooh. Fire. Shit, fire. It's so fire. Oh, what the heck? Oh my god. Woo. Yeah. See you tomorrow. I love the piano. What the hell? I need to see the behind the scenes of this. That's crazy. I did not expect this. I remember seeing the teasers though, but I didn't expect this This behind the scenes for it posted 6 days ago. I'll check it next time. And I'll check out the Soldier Boys one. You should check out my live streams if you haven't already. I do play games over there. We just recently been playing Little Nightmares 3. It's been cool. It's been alright. I feel like compared to the other Little Nightmares, it's not the best. I'm almost done with it, but I've been playing that on the stream too. And if you're interested, come through. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all. Peace.